The process for creating a FlexPack subscription is essentially the same as for creating a traditional subscription. The only difference is we'll create a new subscriber voucher type that we will eventually allow to be redeemed for all shows. Again, simply because we've given these voucher types names that match the names of the productions doesn't automatically mean that they're going to be redeemable for those productions. In a separate video, we'll see that you can make very flexible choices about which kinds of tickets can be redeemed for which performances and under what conditions. So all we need to do to create a FlexPack is, first of all, set up the type of voucher that's going to be included in it. It's going to be a subscriber voucher so that we can include it in the package, and we'll call it the FlexPack voucher. We'll set the correct season. We don't need mail fulfillment because, again, fulfillment will apply to the overall package, not to the individual vouchers, and will allow the customer to make changes to their own reservations when they use these FlexPack vouchers. We're not going to check qualifies buyer as a subscriber because, again, it's the buying of the package that qualifies them as a subscriber, not the possession of this individual voucher. So we'll create that voucher, and using the same process that we used for creating the regular subscriptions, we'll create a new subscription called the Flex subscription. Again, we have to create it as a bundle because it's going to include multiple vouchers. And since our regular admission was $25, we can create a bundle saying if you buy 3 shows, we'll give it to you for $65. Not a bad discount. We'll allow anybody to buy this subscription. Although, for example, if we wanted to give subscribers an additional discount to also purchase a FlexPack, we could create a subscribers may purchase and then set up a whole separate one for the general public. We'll make sure it's for the correct season. We'll mail people a nice brochure when they buy our subscription. And once we create it, we can now come down and specify when sales start, and why don't we say they'll start immediately. When sales end, we'll make this an early bird voucher. You have to buy it before the end of the year. And because what we want to do is provide 3 vouchers that are a flex, we'll make it include 3 of these and none of anything else. And as you can see, we've set up our Flex subscription at $65 that gives you 3 Flex vouchers, and in a separate video we'll show how we can make sure that the Flex vouchers are used exactly for the shows that we permit. It's up to you if you want to make the Flex vouchers available for any performance, or if you wanted to limit it, for example, to opening weekend performances, Sunday matinees, or whatever else.